Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the damaged modules within 30 seconds. This is our NG rental series which supports dual maintenance, so I'm gonna show you two maintenance ways. First, rear maintenance. First of all, we need to check and make sure all the four buckles are at open position. Then you can hold this handle and push it, and then you can take it out from the back side. Take a new module, pass it through the cabinet, and then install it properly. And then turn the four buckles to close position. Second, front maintenance. We can use these frontal tools to take out the modules. And then you can take a new spare module and install it. And then we can go to the back side and turn the four buckles to close position in case the modules fall down. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.